already wanted 2 stars and I just thought making this video and my goal is to get 5 stars. So I'm gonna reset my So my goal is to get wanted 5 stars. I actually only said 3 last time, but well. It's just a live stream I'd ask, but sadly this is not a live stream. What's a live stream? A live stream. Also, this is the only weapon I get to try and get one.